In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook ad form to Google Sheets effortlessly. This seamless integration allows you to keep your advertising data at your fingertips and organized in a way that's simple to interpret and act upon. Our approach will involve using a tool called Superjoin, which offers a quick and straightforward method to accomplish this task without requiring any technical expertise. Let's dive right in. To start with, navigate to the Add-ons tab in Google Sheets and select the Get Add-ons option. This is where you'll find various third-party tools that can enhance your spreadsheet functions. In the search bar, type in Superjoin to locate the add-on. Once you've found it, proceed to click Install. This installation will integrate Superjoin into your Google Sheets, adding powerful tools to streamline data integration from various sources. After Superjoin is installed, you'll need to open it via the Extensions menu within Google Sheets. The Extensions menu is your gateway to numerous features, and opening Superjoin will position you right where you need to be for your data connection journey. Once on the Superjoin homepage, focus on the Sources section. Click on Connect New Source, which will lead you to a selection of data sources. Choose Facebook ads from the list. This selection is an important step as it sets the pathway for the data transfer from Facebook to your sheets. You'll then be redirected to authorize Superjoin to access and pull data into your Google Sheets. Authorization is a crucial step as it allows the add-on to fetch the data necessary for your business insights securely. After successfully authorizing, a data preview will open up for you to examine the connection. In this data preview section, you can select the specific fields that you want to import, such as campaigns, impressions, clicks, and more. Selecting only the fields that are relevant to your analysis ensures that your data remains organized and manageable. Once you have made your selections, click on the Import button to bring the Facebook ads data into Google Sheets. It's as simple as that. This immediate transfer of data facilitates easier tracking and analysis of your ad performance right within Google Sheets. The last essential step in this process is to set a schedule for automatic data refresh. By doing this, you make sure that your Google Sheets is consistently updated with the latest data from Facebook ads, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with the most recent information on hand. And there you have it, a seamless, efficient integration using Superjoin to connect your Facebook ad forms to Google Sheets. With this setup, your data management becomes efficient, enabling you to focus more on strategizing and less on data handling. Enjoy the ease that this connection brings to your workflow, and keep your business decisions sharp with up-to-date data insights.